Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I wanted to share this little tutorial I kind of made up for myself. I recently made some graduation leis, and I had some leftover little pieces for the lei, and I turned it into a bow like this. So I had these pieces that I already glued and was ready to add to my leis. I didn't need all of them, so this is what I came up with instead of throwing it away. It's not perfect, but yeah, this is a good use for my ribbon, so I'm not just tossing it to the trash. And what I did, I just took one of my scrap scallop circles that I have. I just keep a bunch in here when I have like scrap papers. Anyway, all you gotta do is take one of these scallops. You can leave the printed side on the back and use the white side, or you can put the ribbon directly on there. You notice you can't see the scallop circle. And then when you turn it over, you could at least see the printed side, but you know, you don't have to. So, okay, let's get into how I did this. I'm going to use the white side, and I'm going to use the bows ribbons, satin ribbon that I had left over. And if you want to know how to make these are so simple. You just take your satin ribbon and literally twist the ribbon like you're going to make one of those supporting ribbons. And I like to take the glue and just add it there, and then add it to the satin. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I take my scissors and cut off what I don't need. And then you have a little, I call it like an ear. So you have that. So now you take your little ear, don't mind my mess over here. And you take your scallop circle and just put a little line across there. Now, I would use one of these spatulas, something to press down, because after a while your fingers get hot. So just, let me glue this a little better. Just attach it to your scallop. Oops, touch the hot glue. Keep touching the glue. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So I put the first one down. Now I'm going to take my scallop and rotate it. So on the opposite side, I can get the next one on and attach it there. Now, like I said, it doesn't matter because it's going to get covered up by the next layer. And the first layer, I put 4 little ears. I put 4 down, and you can see some of the scallop circle. It's okay, those are not, you're not going to see that. And then you take the other side, oops, and attach it there, add the glue there, and take the opposite and attach that down like that. Okay, and then now we're going to add the ears in between. So here, 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 and this one. So I'm going to take the glue and take one of the ears, and you just keep on adding like that. It kind of pushes the rest of the ribbon up. I like doing the opposite side of where I've added the last one, so really easy. Okay. Now we're going to do these 2 sides. Add that there, and then turn it around and add the next one. Okay. Well, so like I said, I was making a graduation lei And I made a few extra pieces. I didn't need all of it. And so that's how I came up with this. And it just reminded me of, you know, the bows that we get at Dollar Tree or Walmart. It's really simple, but fancy. So now, did I get all 4? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So now we're on the 3rd layer, and we're going to add across. Get a little confused sometimes. A little mixed up. So basically you just need 3 layers of 4 of these ears, right? And add that there. I think it's super cute. And you can just add that on to whatever, present or happy mail. But isn't that pretty? Okay, and now we're done. That's the 3 layers. And I'm just going to take my ribbon again. And the thing you do is, oh, I might have cut this a little too short. Ooh, I'm going to try. Let's see if I can do it. Probably not, because it's too short. Okay, watch out. Don't burn your fingers, Eileen, again. Okay, there. That's not bad. Okay. So you just need a little loop, just like that. You can make it bigger. Actually, it needs to be bigger. Oh, so I don't cut it off until you know what size you need. All right, take the glue, cross, and oh, here we go. Just loop it over. Okay, and then we're going to cut off. And we're going to take some glue, put it on the bottom, and just attach this. Try not to burn your hands. There we go. And that covers the middle. All the sins. Not perfect, but it's cute. See, this one's a little big. This one's a little small. It's almost like Goldilocks and the 3 bears. So I will do the last one with the, oh, I can't. I don't have enough red. So that is it. I just really wanted to come on and show you what I figured out. What to do with my leftover ribbon without throwing it in the trash. And I'm sure I can use this on any project. But yeah, that's it. Some scrap scallop circles, some leftover ribbon, and hot glue. And you get these little satin bows. How pretty. And it's not plastic. Okay, guys, that is it for this one. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Oh my gosh. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.